Hello, good day. So today we'll be taking us through how to create an exam record in order to process results for our students. So I'll be working with basic one. So this is what this page looks like. Let me go back a little to give more context to this. So before you get to this page, you want to process results. What you do here is to click process results. So now once you click process results, what the next thing you're supposed to do as a staff is to select the class that you handle and then create exam records for that class. So I'm going to work with basic one. So from this screen, you already see an exam record that has been created before now. Now I want to create a new one. So what I do is to tap the plus button below. So I tap the plus button. It takes me to the first page where I see the exam template or the result template, the different result templates that we have on the portal. We have the score type, we have the score extended, we have the comment type, we have the tick type, we have the landscape. Now, score type, score extended, and landscape are the same exam template but with um different lines or different shades. Now this score type has less than 20 lines. So if you're processing results for students that offer probably 20 subjects, it will be wise for you to use a score extended. Score extended has more than 20 lines. Right now, if you are processing a cumulative result that consists of the first term, second term, and the third term, you'd have to use the landscape. But you can either use the score type, the score extended, to also process a cumulative result. Now I'm going to be using the score type result because the class I am processing results for, they have less than 20 subjects. They have less than 17 subjects. So I'm going with the score type. Now I've selected the score type. If you do not want to use the score type, all you do is to select the one you want. As you tap the one you want, it goes to that page. Right now, if I tap comment type, it goes to comment type. So I'm using the score type. It's back to score type. Now the next thing for me to select is the theme I want. I am using the emerald theme. In case you do not want the emerald theme, all you need to do is to swipe. It goes to another theme. You keep swiping till you get to the desired theme you want. So I want to use an emerald theme, so I'm going to go to emerald. The next thing is for me to tap use this template. Now the next thing for me to do is to enter the name of the exam record I am creating. Now I want to create, let's assume I want to create mid exam. This is just the name I want to give this exam record. You in turn, you can use first term exam, mid-term exam, cumulative exam record, continuous assessment report, if that is what you want to use. Please note that you are not expected to use subjects names as an exam record name, as it will contradict the purpose for this exam record. Right now, the next thing is for me to select the session. We have 2015 to 2016, 2024, 2025, 2023, 2024. What I am using is 2024, 2025. Now I select the term. If it is second term exam record that you want to create, please tap this and then select the term. I want to process your first term result, so I'm going to tap first term. Then the next thing is asking you here is select arm for this exam record. You know how in a class you have, let's say you have basic 1A, basic 2B, basic 1A, basic 1B, basic 1 emerald. These emerald A, B, and C, these are arms. And in these classes, you have students assigned to each of these arms. Now, if you do not want to process this result for all the students, that is, you want to process result for a particular or for some particular students in a particular arm, all you need to do is to tap this and then you select the arm. Once you select the arm, it will add the students. It will select the students from that class, the students in that particular arm. It will add the students to the exam record. Now I want to just do for all the arms. That means that all the students, irrespective of their arms, will be added to this exam record. So I just tap all arms. And then it says a total of 28 students from the selected class will be added to this exam. You can always update this list later. I tap next. It takes me to this page where I have to set my score settings. Right now I click select score settings. First of all, it takes me to this page where I see CA1 or 1CA20, 2CA20, exam 60. Now if this is not how your own template works, you are free to edit this. You can edit this place and change it to probably test 1 or any name of your choice. You change this the second column as well, change the third column. If you have other columns, that is probably have assessments and any name of your choice, you can always turn on these buttons and edit them. Please note that this place at the top is showing maximum obtainable score 100. That is to say that anything it is you are setting here, it has to rhyme with this number. From here you can see exam 60, CA2 20, CA1 20. This is a total of 100, which is here. If this exam record you are trying to create is a cumulative exam record, please, you have to change this 100 first of all to 300, because it consists of first term scores, second term scores, and third term scores. So it will be over 300 instead of over 100. Now when you do this, you can now come here and set this place up. So this is how to select score settings. Now I'm done. I do not want to change. I like what is here already, so I just tap the tick icon, it saves. The next thing for me to do is to select my grading system. Right, once I tap the grading system, I select the one I want. I want to use WAEC grading system. I click OK. And now the next thing is for me to set my closing and my closing date for this term. I go down, I see set resumption date for this term that we are in, and the closing date for this term. Sorry, the first date is for resumption date for next term, sorry. And then this last one is closing date for this term. If I want to set it, I'll set it, but now I do not want to set this, I'll just skip it. Now here you see these buttons. If you want your subject position to show when you generate the result, you leave this button on. If you do not want it to show, you turn off the button. The other one is show subject position. If you want your subject position to show on the result when once you generate it, you leave it on. If you do not want it to show, you turn it off. Show promoted to in report card. This comes in play if it is a third term result that you are processing. You turn on the promoted to, and then it will show the